What's up guys, this is your girl Navi and I'm back with another video. Thanks for all the love and support. Please continue to subscribe, like,
as you
comment,
can see from
and
this
share
title,
the video guys.
Today I'll be doing curried chicken, so join me in the kitchen.
Yes.
Guys, let's go.
What's up guys, today we're gonna do curried chicken, and some sweet potatoes and also Irish potatoes and some flour dumpling. So yes, I'm about to begin now. So the meat is already seasoned and is left to marinate. So stay with me in the kitchen while I roops up this meal. So while the meat marinate, I'm peeling the Irish potato and sweet potatoes. So I don't have any bananas, no yams. So this is what we're gonna look about today, and some dumpling. So right here is where I begin the preparation. Where I peel the Irish potatoes and the sweet potatoes. So just keep watching guys. So I'm gonna wash them. And yes guys, there are quite a few. You would want some not gonna eat, like my son. He doesn't eat this type of food. None at all, they can't get him eating. His meal is like mac and cheese and pizza and things like that. You don't normally cook and share a plate for him because he's not gonna eat it. Not gonna eat it guys. So as I said, this food is like for dinner and to left over for my husband's work. And this is where down here we store our flour. This guy says like this. Chop up more flours. This is how we purchase the flour. All-purpose flour. But these flour don't taste like Jamaican flour at all. But as I said, what can we do? We have to work with them. We have to eat, right? Then we now get everything be the same as where you're coming from their culture, from your background. But life goes on and you just have to eat. So, yes. So right here, as you can see, I'm pouring in Grace cornmeal. I'm not a cornmeal fan. I'm not a lover of dumplings. But I know I can't be selfish and only cook for myself. So the other people in my household love cornmeal dumplings, so today I'll give them their preference of making cornmeal dumplings. So right here I'm adding a little salt to taste. Next you could see me washing my hands. You know that's very vital to cooking. So I wash my hands and make sure the liquid is removed in total, that it doesn't taste in the flour. So remember guys, when you're preparing meals, hand washing is a must, right?
Yeah boy.
Good girl, do come together. Very mildly, not giant enough like. See that? When you come on to food and cooking, my stomach easy to see. Very easy. So the stove is clean. I don't like the food boil over on the hot side. Right there, yeah. I don't like the dirty plate full up in the thing. Wash them though. So I tell you, I'm not chill. So yes guys, so I'm gonna start now. All you do is just flick a switch. Let's start. So over here, see in the pot. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the meat first. And the reason why it's because I'm gonna season the meat in the wrong thing. This is the pot that I normally cook the food in, because I don't like cooking the shorter pots, because I don't want things to be boiling over and boiling over on the stove and all them stuff that I'm normally cooking this. But you should know the routine. Yeah, I give thanks that she seasoned it for me, because this is not what I normally season things in, but she do it. I'm glad. That's the first, so I make sure use out the meat out of this and wash it and use it to cook the food in. So I'm starting with the meat first. So now getting the oil. So for me guys, a little bit of oil. I don't like oily things because I have a stomach problem. I'm not like the grease, so just a little bit. Yeah, so here in this clip, as you can see, I'm adding the meat to the pot. So my wait until the pot was hot, and then I add the meat without the seasoning, right? So after it is cooked, and you know this chicken here is very soft, it cannot be cooked for long, nor we cannot add a lot of water because it will you know, mash. So after the pot is hot and I add the meat, I turn down the stove, let it cook on low flame, and it will generate its own water. And then from there I will add a little more water, and then I'll add my seasoning. So this is what I'm doing right here. Yes guys, so yeah, I guess everything is coming along. Watch out. No. Good job, good job. Maybe it's the eyes. The water still not boil up yet. But things are going for this over here, so see there? They're going with itself, guys. You know them chicken over here is very soft. Can't cook for too long. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some juice. Guys, these are fruit punch. No name. They have different brands, but these are like the cheaper ones. Yeah, same drink mix though. Yeah, so anything else with no name means these go at a cheaper price. This guys. So we have some leftover juice I'm gonna make today for the children. So I'm just gonna add this to it. Then we're gonna change the color and also the taste, but juice are juice. You can get your belly. So let me show you the ones that I made today. I made this one. 5 Alive. But you just don't want to do this now with a little bit of the 5 Alive over here. So very hard guys, so it's here. So it come tough. These when you buy them, I keep them refrigerated. So yeah, it's very hard. So what my job? Throw it in. This is why you wash the box. And they're getting them from the supermarket. You don't know what crawler can it or you touch them. So make sure you wash them first. Wash it off before you even try to open it over the top. You don't want anything to go. And that's how a lot of persons guys get leptospirosis and things like this, because these things, remember, they are shipping from a lot of places, even places where have rodents and insects and things that will make you sick. So when you get them, things are going to be prepared in macro, anything in a tin, anything in tin, that you wash them first, wash it off properly before you even try to shape it over your pot and things like that. That's why things like supplicant and those things in a tin. If you don't wash off the tin and give me, if you don't wash off the tin
My juice is now ready and I'm about to put it in the freezer to cool. Yes, guys. So right here, guys, I'm adding my sweet potato and my Irish potatoes to the pot. And then afterward, when it come to a boil, I'll be adding my dumplings, cornmeal dumpling. Right here, I'm about to check the pot and I see that it's ready for the seasoning. So here I'll be adding my Irish carrots, thyme, bell peppers, onions, garlic, yes, to the pot, and scallion. I'm gonna leave it to simmer a little. Again, I said on low flame, and then yes, that will be it, guys. Keep watching. And oh yes, I forgot to mention, guys, my husband and I, we do caterings for weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, whatever the occasions are where, you know, meal is a part of your celebration. We do that, and at a reasonable cost. So you can check us out. Our numbers will be in the description. So yeah, that's another side hustle, right?
Is that the one?
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.